Meta just crossed a line that most people completely missed. While everyone was looking at the latest LLM benchmarks, Meta quietly dropped a standalone app on the App Store that essentially runs anyone with a smartphone into a game developer. No code, no complex engines, just words. But here is a strange part. They didn't announce it. There was no press release, no flashy keynotes. It just appeared. This update looks small, but it marks the moment AI moves from answering the question to building the software on the fly. By the end of this video, you will understand why this quiet launch is a massive signal for the future of the creator economy, and how OpenAI is simultaneously trying to become your personalized CFO. 3 major AI updates this week, but only one of them will change how you will use your phone for the next 1 decade. Think about the last time you had $1 million idea for an app or a simple game. Usually that's where the idea dies. You are not a developer. You don't have $50,000 for a prototype. You don't know Swift or C++. Up until now, there was a massive wall between your imagination and a working piece of software. This week, the wall started to crumble. Whether you are a student trying to build a study tool, a creator wanting to engage your audience, or an employee looking to automate a simple part of their daily routine, the barrier to entry is being deleted. But as AI gets more capable of building for us, it's also getting more capable to managing it for us. Here is the first update. On June 29, 2026, a new app called Pocket appeared on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. It's owned by Meta, and it's unlike anything they are released before. Pocket allows you to generate what they called gizmo. Gizmo are a small interactive application and the games created entirely through text prompts. Meta engineering team built this using the technology from Atma Sciences, a company they acquired quietly earlier this week. Technically, these gizmos are impressive. They are not static images or a text. They can react to your touch and respond when you shake your phone, and they can even use your camera to connect the physical world around you. Imagine typing, "Create a game where I have to catch falling star by tilting my phone, and every time when I catch one, play a lofi beat." And boom, in a second later, you have a playable app. There is a catch though. As today, July 3rd, it has not been really announced publicly, and it is not widely available in the US yet. It seems Meta is in the stealth testing phase. Now, watch this closely. If Meta integrates this into Instagram or WhatsApp, we are not just looking at the future of games. We are looking at the future of how a small-scale apps or games can be built in a messaging app. While Meta is focusing on play, OpenAI is focusing on your pocketbook. Literally. Here is the full story. On June 26, OpenAI expanded its personal financing experience to ChatGPT Plus and Pro users across the US, including those on an Android. This is not just a budgeting feature. This allows you to securely connect your actual financial account directly to ChatGPT. Before this, if you wanted to analyze the spending, you have to export the CSV file, upload them, and hope the AI didn't hallucinate the numbers. This means now ChatGPT has a live dashboard of your finance. Literally, now it can see your transaction, your subscription, and your saving in real time. If you are a student, you can ask, "How much did I spend on coffee last month compared to my learning activities?" If you are a small business owner, you can ask, "Summarize my travel expense for Q2 and tell me if I'm over budget." Here is the 3-step action plan that you can try this in 20 minutes. Connect your primary spending account to ChatGPT. If you are in the US and having a Plus subscription, ask, "List my all activity subscription and find 3 that I haven't used in the last 30 days. Ask it to generate a saving strategy based on your actual remaining balance for the month. Here is the third update. We need to talk about a breakthrough that sounds boring, but it actually terrifyingly smart. So here is the full story. On June 30th, OpenAI introduces GeneBench-Pro. This is a new benchmark designed to test AI agents on the field of computational biology. Most AI tests today are about fact retrieval. Basically, can an AI remember what it has been told? GeneBench-Pro is different. It tests reasoning under uncertainty. In real world, biology is messy. There is not always a right answer in the back of the book. Scientists have to make judgment calls when the data is incomplete and confusing. The benchmark forces the AI to act like a researcher scientist in genomics and medicine. I think in the next 12 to 24 months, this type of reasoning will trickle down into the tools we are using in the daily work. If you look at these three updates together, a pattern emerges. The prompting era is dying. If you're only skilled at knowing what to type into a box, you're already behind in the race. I believe the future belongs to the system architect. Stop trying to learn 100 different tools. Start trying to learn how to connect these tools into daily life. Comment system below right now if you want a blueprint to turning these AI updates into a real automation workflow. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.